After studying in the US and working in a private equity firm, Veer S. Advani decided to come back to his family business, Blue Star.
I joined Blue Star, and then I got a bug in Blue Star, but I want to start a new business. It failed. My father and uncle, they said, we think it's time that you come to the parent company. There's a lot happening in the air conditioning business. And so I decided to shut it down. We had to let go of 150 people. I decided that I would do it personally, one-on-one. And it was one of the most humbling experiences of my life.
Then, in 2010, he was tasked with turning around a business segment.
The MEP business, it was loss-making at that time, so I was asked to go and fix that. I spent 5 years. I got into excruciating detail to understand what had gone wrong, how it could be fixed. So we actually first shrunk the business, completed all our obligations, and then we started to grow the business in the right way.
Eventually, Veer S. Advani was placed at the helm of Blue Star.
My colleague Tyagarajan and I got an opportunity to run the company together starting in 2016. We came up with a master plan. We believed that there was going to be a boom in air conditioning and that Blue Star should really participate in this. And then COVID came. So the whole plan was shelved. Then we came out of COVID and now we've just been executing our plan since then. So we've gone from a 0 market share in residential up to now about 14%. We're number 3 right now. It's quite simple, just work hard and yeah, that's all I do.
He had immense faith. And the most recent is that we need an international footprint. That's a significant achievement, single-handedly driven by him.
Today, with a revenue of 12,000 crore rupees in the last financial year and a global presence in over 20 countries, Veer S. Advani has a clear vision for Blue Star's future.
We will build global competitiveness with building all the blocks ourselves. So that's our hope and our dream.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Veer S. Advani.